Myrrh is a resin derived from the Myrrh tree, known for its rich history and extensive use in medicinal and religious contexts. Today, we will take a look into the growth, uses, and medicinal properties of myrrh. Growth and habitat. Myrrh is native to the Arabian Peninsula and Africa, particularly in Somalia, Ethiopia, and parts of Saudi Arabia. The tree thrives in arid, desert climates and is often found in rocky terrains. Identification. The Myrrh tree is relatively small and knotted, with sparse leaves and small white flowers. The resin is harvested by making incisions in the bark, from which the sap oozes and hardens into fragrant reddish-brown lumps. Historical use by ancient Egyptians. The ancient Egyptians prized myrrh for its aromatic properties, using it extensively in embalming, religious ceremonies, and as a remedy for various ailments. Edible uses. Traditionally, myrrh is not used for culinary purposes due to its intensely bitter taste. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Parasitic infections. Myrrh is effective in clearing out parasitic infections, including liver flukes. Oral health. It is commonly used as a remedy for various mouth and throat ailments, including ulcers and oral thrush, due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Congestion relief. Myrrh acts as an expectorant, helping to relieve congestion in the respiratory tract. Skin health. It treats acne and other skin problems by reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Neuropathic pain and arthritis. Myrrh provides relief from neuropathic pain and arthritis thanks to its analgesic properties. Cautions. Myrrh should be used cautiously as it can be potentially toxic in high doses, particularly when taken internally. Pregnant women should avoid myrrh as it can stimulate the uterus and possibly lead to miscarriage. People with heart problems should consult a healthcare provider before using myrrh due to its potential effects on heart rate and blood pressure. Myrrh remains a powerful herbal remedy with diverse applications, from treating skin ailments to relieving arthritic pain. However, its potent effects mean it should be used with care and respect for its strong properties. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating new herbal treatments into your regimen.